Welcome back to Shooter's Kitchen. Today, I have a special video. It's my first sponsored video.
Woo! Audience claps in the back.
Today, we're gonna be using the Master Chef Digital Air Fryer. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Look at it. It looks like
R2D2.
it looks like the fucking pod that Vegeta landed on Earth in.
They're perfect.
Do a little PNG of Vegeta hopping out.
Okay.
Better about this deep fryer, it doesn't use oil. It's clean. You just boom, throw that shit in the sink. It's clean now. Some of the features, it's all digital. So you turn it on. You can pick what you want to eat. The shrimp, chicken. I don't even know what that is. That looks like a piece of cake, steak, fish. Or you can just manually set the temperature by hitting the manual button and going up and down and up and down.
Pick her up, man. You didn't hurt.
Say, let's get on the rocket ship.
Oh, broke it.
Daddy. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna test. I'm gonna show you guys this versus a real deep fryer. If you want one of these bad boys right here, there's a link in the description box down below. So I've used this multiple times to make chicken wings over the past month and a half, and it makes the perfect chicken wings. Every time. It's like you deep fried them, just minus the deep fryer and the oil.
Cuts the fat.
Minus the mess. And that's that. There's nothing in here. I'm gonna turn it on. This one takes a little bit longer to cook the wings. Like, it's not like boom, drop in the deep fryer, 7 minutes, they're done. It takes about 20 minutes to have them perfectly crispy. Like, it takes less than 20 minutes.
45
That's when I filled it up with fucking wings at the top. I'm just gonna do one layer along the bottom.
Okay.
And that's what we're doing today. I'll also have another video for you guys, don't worry. But today, it's air versus oil. Bow, bow, bow.
So you're doing your own music, background, your own side, fucking
You know,
sound
I
effects.
don't fuck with the editing thing, so I'm just gonna edit my own video shit in.
You look like you don't have a Mother's Day love.
We're gonna keep it simple on the wings just to demonstrate them for the video. After the video, we're gonna toss these bitches in some sauce and eat them. So I'm just gonna add some salt and pepper wing. Pepper, salt and pepper my wing. And a little tots. Well, yeah, I almost just lost all the wings. I don't know if you guys seen that. While we wait for my deep fryer to turn up, I'm gonna turn up.
Mateus.
Mateus Rosé is on the menu tonight. I don't even know what this is.
It's champagne.
Champagne. It's rosé, you know, all red.
Babe, get your grubby lips off of my wine bottle.
You can't drink this for 9 months.
Nobody knows that. Well, if these ones are going to take longer, why wouldn't you already have popped them in if they're 20 minutes and those are only 7?
You're right, cuh. You're right.
You're out here drinking.
Watermelon.
You're definitely not drinking no damn watermelon. Do you know what watermelon is? Do you want me to school you real quick?
Pum-pum?
No, it's the seeds. It's the sperm.
Sucking seed?
Drinking. Watermelon.
Yo, Awagwan. I'm never gonna make it because bad man na suck seed, eh? So this is how we use this thing right here. While our deep fryer is warming up, I'm gonna pop these in here. The thing I noticed with these air deep fryers though, if you pile like too much wings in here,
Babe, can you push that forward?
they don't get the crisp all around.
No. Oh, it's hot. You didn't tell me.
So I'm just gonna evenly distribute some wings in there so we get the 360 crisp spots, you know? So if you're not trying to be fat, this is the route you wanna go. If you wanna get slim like me, you know, I went from 240 pounds to 194.
You were never
by using this air
240.
deep fryer for a month and a half. Babe, I was saying, I averaged off at 236 to 241. Tell me how much I weighed. Like, I didn't weigh myself every day.
You were 230.
I was well over 230. Yeah, we need more wings.
Tell. Why?
So I'm gonna pop this in. Are you guys ready? Boom, just like that. It turns on by itself when you push it in the drawer. We're gonna hit chicken.
You forgot how to use it?
Oh, it's just doing other stuff. Oh, yeah. You keep pressing this. I'm pressing this like it's touch screen. You keep pressing this until the chicken is highlighted. And you hit cook. It's gonna start making a lot of sound. Last thing for takeoff. Nappa just got killed. We're going back to Planet Namek real quick.
Okay.
Same here. I'm gonna load up my basket over here too.
Oh my gosh.
So, so as you see, when you select chicken, it goes 20 degrees. Salem, cover her mouth. So as you can see, once you start this, it cooks at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and then you just wait. And once that 20 minutes is up, you open this bitch up. And you got chicken wings. You didn't even have to do anything. I want you. What are we at over here? 350? I'm dropping those bitches. 17 minutes? It's only been 3 minutes? I can't drop these then. So we got the Magic Chef going. Takes a while, but it's worth it. Once these are ready, I'm gonna drop them. We'll be back after this commercial break. I want you. What are you doing?
She's like, what are those?
Can I have some, Dad? These ones are done. Those ones are done. Let's look at the difference. I know I did not go on camera, break and deep fry some wings and put them in here, and I'm gonna pull them up.
Could you imagine? Oh my god, they're gonna look completely different than that, aren't they?
Huh?
Won't they look different?
There is deep fried.
So these are the deep
This is how we
fried
stack up
ones.
wings that work. We make little pyramids.
Wow, I'm so amazed.
There are deep fried wings. You don't gotta do all that battering business.
Yeah, ew.
And now for the big reveal.
We ready?
Grab my handy dandy. The air fried one. No oil was used in the killing and frying of these chickens. Public service announcement.
Okay, so these are the deep fried, and these are the air fried. You want to do a side by side comparison with 1 and 1?
Oh yeah, no oil. No oil. Deep fried.
Lots of oil.
Lots of oil, lots of smoke, and my house stinks. Which one do you think is deep fried, right or left? Which one do you think is air fried, right or left?
This is right, guys. This is left. Shit,
Yeah.
I don't even remember.
I
I think I do too. This one is air fried.
Air fried.
Yeah. That's crazy. Well, now for
do. The Salem taste test. So I found this baby walking around my kitchen
stork dropped her
with a
off.
beard on. Found this baby walking around my kitchen, and she gonna try some wings. Deep fried wing.
Don't give her the deep fried one. Look at her face.
Ready
It
for
doesn't
this?
need salt?
And sauce.
Yeah, sauce. Sauce that bitch up. Okay. This greedy gal.
How's that?
It numbs?
That's just a regular deep fried wing, right? Yeah, it's whatever, you know, it's regular thing. But now, air fried. Even juicier, the air fried ones.
You have some fluff hanging off your beard.
Oh, good.
Mmm. It's
Are you ready for
delicious.
the juicy air fried one?
You want mommy to taste? Sucking it.
How's that one?
Say
Yeah, that's air fried.
Say, you gotta eat that one. She's still chewing the deep fried one.
You just wanted to examine it and make sure Daddy's telling the truth? That was cooked with air, Salem. Alright, so there's Salem's review.
She didn't review.
She likes her shit deep fried. Salem ain't trying new things. And now, my favorite part of Shooter's Kitchen.
Came back for it.
We're gonna get our handy dandy metal bowl. We're gonna dump our wings in there. Sauce these bitches up.
Sorry, it's not homemade today.
Homemade hot sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
This video is not sponsored by President's Choice.
Don't sleep on the smoking habanero, guys. Ooh, those look blessed.
Those are air fried. Blessed.
Blessed.
That was the point of this video. I just wanted to show you guys that the air fried and the deep fryer is no different in quality,
Plus, it's healthier.
but this is healthier. That's it.
Oh shit, that's hot. You remember which one this is?
Which one's which?
Hold on. They do taste different. I'll say this one's air.
That
This is deep?
fried.
You're lying.
Than us. The first one was the air fried. See left. The left hand one I gave you, this is the air fried.
Well, there you have it, folks.
Now we eating, cuz.
Can't even tell the difference. Mukbang.
I don't even care the difference. Deep fried, air fried, fucking shit fried.
Ew. I don't know. Shit fried.
And you want to know where the perfect couple goes? I eat these, and she eats those.
Flat ting.
It's all about the drum, you know? We don't do the flats. We keep a whole drum on.
Okay, first of
A whole
all,
drum.
no. Let's not. What's your favorite wing? Flats or drums, guys?
Like, comment, subscribe, and click that little bell thing if you like flats. Like, subscribe, comment, click that little bell thing if you like drums.
I feel you. Whoever don't like this video, your
Your
mom's
mom's
a
a
hoe. How do you know that's where I was going with
If your
it?
chicken wing doesn't look like this after, you're not living right.
Okay, this guy's doing the palm thing. What are you, a makeup guru?
Yeah. I'm a chicken wing guru.
Bruh, these air fried wings are the shiznit.
And they
And-
don't shrink.
And I didn't get paid, okay? I didn't get paid for this. Only he did. So, my sister told me about air fryer like months ago when she was pregnant.
Remember when we used to bake them for like 45 minutes just to get crispy and smooth?
I'm not gonna be able to eat the
Video's
chicken
done.
parm.
There you are. So I'm just making one taco each.
I know, but I'm full.
What?
I don't have an appetite, babe. You know?
So if it's in 2050 where you just chew your food, you don't swallow it? You just chew it for 30 minutes, get all that taste. Yeah, like the air fryer ones are like fall off the bone.
Never gain a pound. Say, chewing her food and not swallowing it.
I'm gonna show that thing works.
I don't care. She wants chicken.
I got it. Spicy. Salem.
Say, a big piece of chicken.
Looks like frog leg. Oh, spicy. Fuck yeah.
You legit cannot taste the difference. Open the air fried wing spot.
Oh my goodness. My face is covered in sauce and she's wiping on my legs.
Welcome to motherhood.
You know mukbang for real?
Starving.
And that's that. Deep fried, air fried, who cares as long as it's fried. Delicious. See you next time.